Hi guys, David at RV Wholesalers with another Versus video. Today we're talking about if I'm going to camp in a seasonal campground or a permanent campground, do I go with a park trailer or do I go with a travel trailer or a fifth wheel? Some people like the layouts of fifth wheels and they get fifth wheels, right? They don't mind the steps. Some people get travel trailers because they like the floor plans and travel trailers. Park models though are kind of cool if you don't need to tow them, you're never going to tow them, you don't have to move them because you don't have tanks underneath. What I mean by that, you don't have a gray tank or a black tank. You don't have to worry about treating them. You don't have to worry about dumping them. You don't have to worry about maintenance on them, right? You have a straight pipe just like at your house, goes right into the sewer system at the campground. So it's something to think about. There's a huge advantage again to park trailers because you have one pipe leaving the trailer like it does your house, and it carries the black and the gray water in that pipe right into the campground sewer. So you don't have to worry about tanks, special toilet paper, using chemicals, all that kind of thing. So just something else from us to you if you to think about if you're thinking about parking permanently in a campground or if you're thinking about living in one. Check out park trailers. If you have any questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494. Check out the park trailers on our website, rvwholesalers.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, and please subscribe to our YouTube page for more videos like this one.